Hello everyone, welcome to Pably. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 YouTube automation. Now, we all know about YouTube, it's not a new name for us. So, YouTube is a social media platform where you can create your profile and upload videos, and yes, you can network here. So, I am going to talk about how you can actually integrate YouTube with different applications using Pably Connect. So, here, how you can auto share YouTube videos in Discord and Facebook where your team is sitting. You want to keep a track of YouTube analytics with Google Sheets. This is extremely important. Track YouTube channel views and subscribers in Google Sheets. Now, this is going to definitely save a lot of time if you are an influencer. Export YouTube comments of specific video in Google Sheets and generate and update YouTube SEO content automatically. Now, of course, there are hundreds of integrations that you can do with this applications. Here, we have just chosen the top 5. Now, without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can integrate this YouTube application with different applications. So, let's begin.
Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on generating YouTube's SEO content automatically. So guys, do you ever feel there is too much work to keep your YouTube's SEO optimized for your search engines? If yes, you'll be glad to know that today I'm going to show you how you can use an automation software workflow to keep your YouTube's SEO content updated. So guys, in this video, you will learn how you can use Pably Connect to generate the description and thumbnails of your YouTube videos and how to use it to keep your existing YouTube content updated. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to generate the YouTube's SEO content easily and with minimum manual efforts. So let's get started. So we are using Pably Connect, which is an automation tool to set up this whole automation, and this is the landing page of Pably. And I have pasted this same link in the description as well, and from here you can set up your free Pably Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pably Connect application. From here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow, and here in this name field you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as YouTube content automation. Okay, and after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two, we can set up the automation. So the trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger. So in our use case, we are going to connect our spreadsheet application, that is Google Sheets, and in that Google Sheet, I am adding the details of my YouTube videos like this, the YouTube video's title and the link of the video of an existingly uploaded videos. Okay, right, and as I'm going to add this thing here, that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action the action would be to generate the content for the same video and upload the same content on YouTube. Okay, so first of all, you need to search for Google Sheets application here like this. Select the application and then select the trigger event as a new or updated row. Alright, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with our spreadsheet program, and you need to follow these steps written here to create this connection, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. Okay, so guys, you can just read the instructions and follow the steps one by one. Let me show you directly how you can create this connection. So first of all, I am going to open my spreadsheet in an incognito window. This is because I'm using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. So if you are not using multiple accounts, you can open the spreadsheet in the same tab as well, right? And guys, here you have to click on this extensions option right here, and from here click on add-ons, then click on get add-ons, and from this Google Workspace Marketplace window, you have to install an add-on here which is called Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install it here. And after installing this, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. Okay, so I have already installed that and I have refreshed it. And after refreshing, when you click on extensions again, you will find this Pabbly Connect webhooks option available here in the drop down only. And from here, you have to click on initial setup button. And under initial setup, you will find these two fields right here, the webhook URL field and the trigger column. So in this webhook URL field, you have to paste that URL that you got from your workflow. And in the trigger column, you have to mention the name of the final data entry column that you have. Final data column means the column that is in which you are entering the data and the workflow is going to be triggered. Here you can see, I want that whenever I add the video title, then the video link, the workflow should trigger and start working. So the B column should be my final data entry column. So when I'm going to paste the link here, then the workflow is going to be triggered, right? So first of all, let me just copy the webhook URL from here. I have copied it. Now I'm coming back here, extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. And under initial setup, let me erase this URL that is already pasted and let me paste it again. This is the new URL and the trigger column is B only, so I'm keeping it as it is. Right. And here you can see in this workflow, guys, as I have copied the URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. This means, guys, we need to bring some test data from my spreadsheet to here in this workflow. And with the help of that test data, we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay. So to bring the test data here, just go back to the initial setup here. And here you can find this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have entered here will be sent to the workflow as the test data. Okay, let me show you. I am clicking on send test here. And here you can see test data sent successfully is written here. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here you can see, guys, in this response section, we got the video title, the video link, the trigger column's name, the spreadsheet's name, and some technical details. That's how you can capture the test data. Okay. Now we are done here. Now you can click on submit here in the initial setup. Okay. And then close this window. And you have to do one thing more here. Click on extensions and from this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, click on this send on event option as well. So when you select send on event option, whenever you are going to add a new row here, the workflow is going to trigger. Okay. So select this as well. Right. Now we are done here. Now you can come back to the workflow and here let's start moving on in the action step. And after getting the data from my spreadsheet, I want that we should get the thumbnail and the description of YouTube channel generated automatically with the help of this workflow. And for that, we are going to use a few applications. So first application we are going to use here is OpenAI. So OpenAI is an artificial intelligence based content generation tool, and we are going to connect it here in the actions tab. So search for OpenAI here. Okay. And with the help of OpenAI, we are going to generate the description of the video that we have. So click on action event and from here select the action event as generate content. Okay. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection and here it is asking for the API key of OpenAI application to make the connection. Okay. So this is my OpenAI applications dashboard, guys. From here you can click on this personal profile icon and from here you can click on view API keys option and you will reach this page. Here you will find the API keys and you can create a new key as well by clicking on this. Okay, so we have already generated maximum keys. Let me delete the previous keys. Okay, let me delete this one as well. Now let me click on create new key and here's how you can generate a key. You just have to copy this, click on OK and paste this key here in the token field like this. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected with OpenAI, right? Now it is asking to select the artificial intelligence model. So we have many models under OpenAI. They are coming up with new models on daily basis actually. So I'm going to use this text DaVinci 002 model, which is mostly used model of OpenAI, and it is famous for generating accurate content. So I'm selecting this, and here it is asking for the prompt. So prompt is a kind of command for OpenAI application to generate a content. Okay, so you can just learn about the prompts from OpenAI's overview or OpenAI's blog. Okay, and let me show you. Actually, here is the playground page, and here if you are using OpenAI, you should know what is this and how to write a prompt. But let me show you how you can enter the prompt here. So this is how you can give a prompt to OpenAI. I have just typed here, write the description of a YouTube video, and here I am going to provide the title of the video. And we have got the title of the video captured here in this first tab. Here you can see we got the video title from our spreadsheet. So I'm going to map this label here in this tab. Okay, so to map the label, just click here in the front of video title word, and the Google Sheets tab or the trigger will appear here in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find all the data here only. So from here, click on video title label, and the title will be mapped here like this. Okay, right. So when you map the title here like this, what will happen in real time when this workflow is going to run? The labels are going to be updated automatically according to any new video, and new description will be generated for each of your videos. Okay. Right, and here it is asking for the maximum number of tokens or the amount of words you want to generate using OpenAI. So the default value is 256 and the maximum limit is 2048. I'm just going to put here 300 words. Okay, let's generate a 300 words description. Here it is asking for the sampling type. This is actually a technology that OpenAI use for sampling its content. I am just going to select the temperature sampling, which is just a default sampling technique. Sampling value, this is also a technical term. You have to put the value between 0 to 1 here. Default value is 0.7. Let me just put it 0.8. Okay. You can leave this penalty things blank. This is not compulsory field. Stop sequence. You can provide a stop sequence to make OpenAI know that you have to stop at this sequence. Okay, if arrives. And you can just put any symbols here like slash at the rate, any kind of this thing. Okay, and here it is asking best of. So it creates content, and if you want that it gives the best content, you should select the best of 3 or best of 4 out of the generated content. So I'm selecting best of 3. Okay, so now you can check the connection with OpenAI by clicking on save and send test request, and a test description will be created just in front of you. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see guys, we got this kind of response. And here in this choices 0 text label, you will see a description automatically generated using artificial intelligence. You can see it is showing us this is a video on the beauty of Earth. The video contains stunning visuals of different locations on Earth set to relaxing music. The video is sure to leave viewers in awe of the natural beauty of our planet. And this video is actually about Earth's beauty. Let me show you on the channel directly. This is the video I'm talking about. Beautiful video on the beautiful Earth is the title. Okay, and this is the description. Very appropriate description is generated using OpenAI. Right, now let's move forward, and you can see I have no thumbnail on this video as well. So let's generate a thumbnail automatically using Switchboard Canvas application. Okay, so I'm clicking here on this plus icon, and another actions tab will appear here like this. And here to generate images, I'm going to connect with Switchboard Canvas. Okay, and the action event would be create an image using a design template of Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so click on connect here. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Switchboard Canvas. So you just have to open Switchboard Canvas applications dashboard, and this is the template section of Switchboard Canvas. And here you can see we have this view your API key button. Click on it, and here you'll find the post key and the get key. So you have to use this post key. Click on just copy here and you have to paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you'll be connected with Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so we are connected, and here it is asking to select the template that you want to use to create a thumbnail. So I have created a few templates here. So templates are the structures of images that you want to generate, and for this purpose, to create a thumbnail out of Switchboard Canvas, I have created this template. You can read, the name is YouTube thumbnails. So I'm just going to select this name here. You can see from the drop down YouTube thumbnails. Here it is asking for the width and the height. Let me just see the width and the height we are using here in this template. So you will find the width and the height details here. You can just put it here. So the width is 1919, 1919, and the height is 1079. Okay. And I have entered a text variable inside this template so that I can change the text of this template automatically to generate a new template out of this to generate a new thumbnail out of this template. Okay, and to change this text, I'm going to use the text of the title that I have, and I have captured the title in the first step, in the very first step. So I'm going to map the labels from this Google Sheets tab only in this third step. Okay, so just click here on the text field. You can change the image as well. So if you have the images data, you can change this image. Right now I'm not using this field. I'm just going to change the text. Okay, here you can see we have this Google Sheets tab. From here, map the video title. Okay, then click on save and send test request button, and a new thumbnail will be created out of your template. Okay. So this is the response we got, and here we have this sizes 0 URL label in which we have the URL of a newly generated thumbnail of the YouTube video. Let me just open this, and here you can see, guys. Okay, so you can see beautiful video on beautiful earth, and this is the thumbnail created automatically, and this was our template. Okay. So it is just a demo I'm showing you. You can create beautiful templates for you. Okay, and the thumbnails will be generated. Now, guys, let's move forward. We got the videos. We got the video description. We got the thumbnail. Now it is time to update all these things on YouTube channel. Okay, so here just click on this plus icon, and from this actions tab we are going to connect with YouTube. So search for YouTube here. And the action events here you can see we have many action events. You can do many things on YouTube using this software. And here, first of all, what I'm going to do, guys, actually we publish videos on YouTube in particular video categories of YouTube. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find out the category IDs of YouTube, and we are going to use the IDs afterwards to update the video. Okay, so to get the video category IDs, here you can see we have this list video categories action event. So select this list video categories option, then click on connect here, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with YouTube, and from this window you have to choose the account of your YouTube channel. Okay, then you have to provide the access to your account by clicking on continue. That is completely safe, and you'll be connected with YouTube. Okay, you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it is asking for the country code. So my channel belongs to India, so you can learn about the country codes by clicking on this link. My country code is IN. Okay, the standard country code. Then click on save and send test request. And guys, here in this response, you can see we got the item 0 snippet title label here. And here we got the first category, which is film and animation. And here when you scroll down, you will find the ID of this category is 2. Similarly, for autos and vehicles, the ID is 10. Okay, so we have many categories and many IDs here. And right now, in my YouTube channel, in this demo channel, we are publishing these videos in peoples and blogs category. So you will find the people and blog category here as well. peoples and blog, and the ID is 23. Okay, now move forward and click on plus icon here to create another action step, and now search for YouTube again. And here in the action event, now what I want to update my video details. So you will find this option here, update video. Okay, update basic video details. You will find this option, select this, then click on connect, and from here, now guys, once you connect with any application, the connection that you make here are going to be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connections again in the same workflow or in different workflows, you can use your saved connections. For that, you just have to keep this existing connection option selected, and from here you can select the connections that you have already created, and after that you have to click on save, and you will be connected again with the same channel. Okay, so we are connected again, and here you can see it is asking for the video category ID. That's why we have added this step here to enter the video category ID. So my video category is people and blogs. The ID is this 23. So I'm going to map this item 10 ID label here in this field. So just click here, and from this previous step, map the ID label which you will find here. Here it is, map it. Okay. Here it is asking for the channel's name. The name of my channel is demo channel. Select it is automatically selected. And here it is asking for the video ID. Now what about this video ID, guys? What is a video ID? So guys, the video ID is actually, you will find here. Let me just open this video. And let me click on share button. And here you can see in this link, guys, the last part here, this after this slash, this VZ_494, this thing is called the video ID. Okay, so you can you have to enter this ID here in your workflow in this field. Okay, so we are not going to manually put it here, because in real time the video IDs are going to change with every new video. So we are going to map it, and we have got this link here in this first step. You can see in this trigger step we got the video link, and here in the video link, this is the last part is the video ID. So I'm going to separate this video ID from this given link. For that, I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. Okay, so I'm just going to click here on this plus icon in between the steps, and another action step will open up. And here I'm going to search for text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Search for text formatter. And the action event would be split text. So I'm going to split this link, and I'm going to fetch out this video ID. So I have selected split text, click on connect here. All right, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So I'm going to map this link label here, video link label. Just click here, and from this first tab, map the video link and the separator. So it is asking from where you want to separate out this ID. So I want this ID to be separated out from this slash given here, this forward slash. So I'm going to put forward slash here as the separator in the segment index. So it is asking which part you want to separate out, the first part or the second part or the second to last part or the last part. So I want this last part here. So I'm going to select last. Okay. Then click on save and send test request. And here you can see in this result table, we got the video ID separated out. Now we can use this here in this step. Okay. So you just have to click here. Okay. Now when I'm clicking here, it is not showing us the previous steps. This is because we have added one more step after this step. Okay. So when this happens, you just have to refresh your connection with this application. To refresh the connection, just click on connected one more times. And from here, keep this existing connection selected and click on save one more time, and your connection will be refreshed like this. And when you click here, now you can see it is showing us all the previous steps. So from the second step, map this result label in the, not in the video title, not in the video title label, here in the video ID option. And if for mapping here, you just have to toggle this map button to on first. Toggle this button to on. And from the second step, map the result label in the video ID field. Okay. And now it is asking for the video title. So you will get the title from the first step. Sorry, not the link, but the title. Okay. Standard thumbnail URL. So guys, this action this action of YouTube, the update video details action event is for updating the description and the text of the video, not the thumbnail. We have a separate action event here for updating the thumbnail, which is called update thumbnail. You can see set thumbnail action event. So to update the thumbnail, we are going to use set thumbnail. For updating the description and text, we are using update video details. So this field actually doesn't work here. My team is working to remove this field. Okay. So we are going to update the thumbnail using this step only, and the text if you want. So to map the description here, you just have to click here, and we have already generated the description from this OpenAI step. So you just have to click here and map this choices 0 text label. And here you can see this is my YouTube channel and this is our video. And let me open this video for you. Okay, so right now you can see in the description, we do not have anything here in the description. Okay, so let me just click on save and send test request button here, and the description will be updated on our YouTube's video. So you can see this is the response we have received here. Let us check in our video if we got the description updated. So let me refresh the YouTube's page. And now guys, you can see we got the description added here automatically. You can see this is a video on beauty of Earth. The video contains stunning visuals of different locations on Earth set to relaxing music. This is the same description guys that we have mapped here, you can see. Okay, so this is how you can update the description of your video automatically. Now let's quickly update our thumbnail as well. For that, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. From here, search for YouTube again. Okay, or what you can do, you can just copy paste this step as well. I'll tell you that later on. I'm just using the same way. And here we have this set thumbnail action event. Just click on connect. Use your existing connection. Click on save and you will be connected again. Here it is asking for the video ID. So you'll get the video ID from the second text formatter step. Okay. Image URL. So we have generated the image using Switchboard Canvas. So click on it and you will find this URL here. Just map it. Okay. Now let me open this page, my YouTube channel page. And here you can see right now we do not have any thumbnail. Let us click on save and send test request button, and a thumbnail will also be added to my YouTube video. You can see this is the response we have received. Let us check here on my channel. I'm refreshing this page. And here you can see guys, the thumbnail got updated here automatically. It is showing beautiful video on beautiful Earth. This is the same thumbnail that we have created. Okay, and it got updated here. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation here, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't even have to look at this workflow. After that, this workflow is going to run automatically whenever you are going to add the details of the YouTube video here in the spreadsheet. The workflow is going to trigger and your thumbnails and descriptions will be updated automatically, and the workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
In this video, we will learn how to automatically export comments of specific YouTube video in Google Sheet. So let's say a new comment has been posted on a specific video of your YouTube channel. We are going to automatically add the very same comment in Google Sheets so that you can keep a track of all the comments that are being posted on your video via your subscribers or via anyone. So if you also want to keep track of all the comments via Google Sheets, just come to my screen and follow the instructions till end. So this is the spreadsheet where I'm going to collect all the comments that are coming on my one specific video, and from here only I will get the new content ideas. I will even get the feedback on my videos, that how I can improve it, and I'm going to track everything from this sheet only. And I'm going to do this by connecting my spreadsheet with my YouTube channel, and I am going to do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box. Now firstly, you will have to create your free account in Pabbly, and you will also get free tasks to test this automation in the free account of Pabbly Connect. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, that is why I am clicking on sign in, then I have clicked on access now, and this is how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, click on this button, create workflow, and enter workflow name here. So I'm going to paste the name of this workflow which I have already copied. When comment is arrived on video, add it to Google Sheet. So you can provide any random name. I am providing this particular name. Click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever a new comment is arrived on the YouTube application, add the very same comment in Google Sheet application. So basically, we need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And since we are setting up the automation in between YouTube channel and Google Sheet, so that is why the first application here will be, of course, the YouTube, and the trigger event will be whenever a new comment is arrived on a video. Okay, it will triggers when a new comment is added to a specific video. Okay, now I'm going to connect to my YouTube channel with the Pabbly Connect first. So you'll have to click on connect, add new connection, connect with YouTube, provide the access of your YouTube channel in which you are uploading the videos. Click on continue and your authorization will be successful and your YouTube channel will be connected. Now it is asking for the channel name and the video. So I have the channel name as Pabbly only. Let me even show you that my channel name is Pabbly. And now it is asking for the video. So these are the various videos, several videos which I have uploaded on my channel, and I want to track the comments of this particular video. So the name of the video is Automation in between Microsoft Excel and Telegram 2022. So I am going to select the same video. Well, it has selected automatically, and you can see since we are connected, whatever the videos are available in my YouTube channel are also visible here. I am going to select the same. Now when I will click on this button, you will see the recent comment which is already available on this particular video will be fetched here automatically. Let me first check what exactly the comment is already available, already posted on this video. Okay, let me check it. Okay, so there is a comment, hello, the video is really nice. Can you also make a video on Google Sheets and Telegram automation? So come back to Pabbly Connect, click on this button and wait for the response, and you will see that the most recent comment will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Let me even show you the details one by one. Okay, so this is the ID, this is the video ID, all right, and let me show you the comment where exactly it is. Here it is, snippet top level comment snippet text display. Hello, the video is really nice. Can you also make a video on Google Sheets and Telegram automation? Well, this is the same comment which has arrived on my YouTube channel. Well, this is the comment posted by me only, but let's say some other person is posting the comment. That comment will be also fetched here in the Pabbly Connect, and this is how this automation is going to proceed further. Once the comment will arrive in the Pabbly Connect, it will then send it to automatically in the Google Sheet. So that is why here we need to select Google Sheet as the second application, and in action even you will have to select the add new row. Now click on connect, and now we are going to connect spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. Now provide the access of your account in which you have created your Google Sheet. Click on continue. And you can see the authorization is successful and your Google Sheet account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Let me even show you that whatever the sheets are available in my account are also visible here, and I am going to select this particular sheet, all comments of video. So coming back to Pabbly Connect, well, this sheet has already selected because it is the latest sheet, and here in select sheet 1, well, I have just a single sheet 1 only which has selected automatically. Now finally it is asking for the comment and the author. Why these two things are visible here? Because we have added these two columns only in my spreadsheet. So whatever the columns you will add here will be reflected here, and this is how we are going to paste the data. We are going to add the data in the column. Now it is asking for the comment. Well, we have just received the comment in the above window, in the above application, and you do not need to copy and paste it manually. Simply go down and here read the instruction, enter text or map data. So we are going to map the comment. From where? From the drop down. You can see whatever the data we have captured is visible here in the drop down, and I am going to map the comment which I have received by simply click on here, and you can see it has mapped. Now it is asking for the author, so let me search for the author directly. Okay, let me check where is the author. Well, this is the author display name. I'm going to map the same, and whatever the values you are mapping will be replaced automatically, will be changed automatically as soon as the new comment will arrive or the new data will arrive. And this is how this automation is going to take place. Now going to click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response. Well, the response is received. Going back to my Google Sheet, and yes, you can see the recent comment which we have seen on our video has captured automatically here. So this is how now onwards, whenever a new comment will arrive in this specific video. Well, why on this specific video? Because we have selected the same. We have actually tell the system that whenever the comment will arrive on this specific video, in that case it should be added to the Google Sheet along with the author name. So this is how, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automatically add the comments of a specific video in your spreadsheet, that too automatically. Now I am going to open the same video in the incognito window, and here I am going to post one more comment on this video, and we will see whether this particular comment has been captured in the Google Sheet or not, that too automatically. Okay, so here I am going to log in with some other ID. Okay, so I have logged in here in the incognito window as the new ID, and assume that some new person, basically this person is posting a comment on your YouTube video like, "Hello sir, your video is really nice, but it would be great if you will start adding the subtitles as well. Thanks." Okay, so the person is posting this particular feedback, this particular suggestion on this YouTube video, and I'm going to paste the same, and you will see the same comment will be reflected in Google Sheet just after few minutes. Now why after few minutes? Let me even show you that thing also, that we will go to our Pabbly Connect software, and I'll show you one interesting thing. Read the instructions. This trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So whatever the comments will arrive on my YouTube video, the system will check for every 10 minutes, and whatever the comments have been added in last 10 minutes, it will take out all the comments and will add it to spreadsheet. So I'm going to wait for few more seconds, few more minutes, or maybe for the 10 minutes, and you will see the data will be arrived automatically here. So after waiting for few minutes, I have received the very same comment in my sheet, that too automatically. So this is how you can create this automation inside Pabbly Connect. And once you have created this automation, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, because everything will work in the backend. In case you want to clone this setup into your account, I am going to add this shareable link of my workflow in the description box. You can directly clone this workflow into your account, that too for free. How to track YouTube views and subscribers in Google Sheets automatically. So this video is very useful for all the YouTubers here, because here I am going to show you that how you can automatically update your channel views and subscribers into the spreadsheet without doing anything manually. Yes, it is possible. You just need to set an automation in between these applications, and after that the automation will automatically get the channel views and subscribers and will add it into the spreadsheet. And in this way you do not even have to share the access of your YouTube channel with your team. They can directly track the performance of the channel via Google Sheets only. So want to learn how you can do that? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my YouTube analytics, and here I have the channel views and subscribers, and I would like to receive this data into my spreadsheet on the daily basis so that I can directly access the views and subscribers from the sheet only without even logging into this channel. And for that I'll have to build a connection in between these applications, and I'm going to connect these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an amazing integration and automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also dash this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation, that too every month. Okay, and I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am clicking on sign in, clicking on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching out to the dashboard, you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your workflow, to your automations. So here I'm providing the name as add YouTube channel views and subscribers to Google Sheets. Now click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever the automation will run, it will automatically pick the channel stats, basically the views and subscribers via YouTube application, automatically add the data into the Google Sheets application. So this is how generally we always need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. But here in this particular video, I would like to fetch the data on the daily basis. So that is why instead of selecting the application, firstly I am going to choose this feature, that is scheduled by Pabbly. It is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can schedule your automation, schedule your workflow, and here how often you want to run your workflow. So based on these settings, you can get this workflow execute at any time. Okay, so here I want this automation to run on the every day, basically every day. So that is why I will select the same, and from here exactly you can select the timing. So how about I select the timing as 0900. Okay, I would like to execute this automation at 9:50 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so I have selected this timing, clicking on save, and you will see that the automation has been scheduled. Okay, so the first step is done. Now onwards the automation will work every day. Okay, basically in case you want to get the channel stats on the weekly basis, you can get this automation run on the weekly basis. It is completely up to you. Okay, now in the second application, since I want to first fetch the details of the YouTube, basically the YouTube stats, so of course I will select YouTube as the second application, and in action event I want to get the channel stats. So that is why I am searching for the same action event. Now I am going to connect to my YouTube application with the Pabbly Connect. So that is why I am selecting here add a new connection, click on connect with YouTube, provide the access of your YouTube account, and don't worry, the data of your channel is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, after providing the access, you will see how the authorization of your channel will be successful and how it will be connected. Now it is asking for the channel ID in order to retrieve the channel stats. So from where I will get the channel ID? Okay, so here is my channel, and if I will open my channel into a new tab, you will see after this channel you will find the channel ID. Okay, so I have copied the channel ID and pasting it here, and as soon as I'm going to click on on this particular button, you will see that the subscriber data and the views data, basically the response, will be received here immediately. Let me even show you the details, the necessary details which is actually required in this particular video, in this particular automation. So here I have the view count and here I have the subscriber count, and I just want to add this particular data into my spreadsheet. So here the second step is also done. I just want to add these details into the spreadsheet. So that is why here I'll click on this plus icon, and since I want to update the data into the Google Sheets, so that is why the third application here I will choose as the Google Sheets only. And the action event, I want that a new row should be added, and in that new row the data should be updated. So that is why I have selected this particular action event. Now again I'm going to connect to my spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. So again click on connect, go with the add a new connection. Again I'm already logged in, I have already connected my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'll go with the existing connection. Clicking on save, and you will see how the Google Sheets will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after the connection, you will see whatever the spreadsheets are available into my Google Sheet account has started visible here. And here I am going to search for this YouTube channel views and subscriber sheet. Okay, so well, it has got selected automatically, and here I have the single sheet only, that is sheet 1, which has again got selected automatically. Now it is asking for the date, views, subscribers added, and from where I will actually get the date. So I'll have to first check in this particular data whether I have actually received the date or not. Okay, so how about I directly search for the date? Okay, so I do not have any date. So how I am going to check that the data is actually of which particular date? So what we can do is we can add one more step within the Pabbly Connect only, okay, before this Google Sheet step. Okay, so clicking on this plus icon, and here I'm going to search for the date and time formatter feature, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can get your current date and you can even perform various kind of operations within the dates with the help of this feature. Okay, now I'm going to click on connect, and you will see it will be connected. It is asking for the basic format in which you would like to receive your date. So I just want to receive the date in DDMMYY format, so I have selected the same. I do not want the time, so I am going to directly click on this button, and you will see that how the current date will be fetched up. And today it is 29th December, and here you can see the 29th December, the current date has been fetched out. Now I am going to map this particular date here, but if I'll click on this particular field, you will see that the above data will be not visible here. So firstly I'll have to save this particular step, and then only it will be started visible here. Okay, so the data has been saved successfully. Now if I'll click on this button, if I'll click on this particular field, you will see the data is visible. I am going to map the date. Okay, so I have mapped the date. Asking for the views, well, these are the same data which we have received in the previous step, and I'm going to map this particular data, and mapping is very simple. You just need to click on this particular field and search for your data. So here I have the views which I have mapped. Coming here, and it is asking for the subscribers, and remember we have received this particular data from the second step, from the YouTube get channel stats. Okay, where are the subscribers data? And here you can see I have the subscriber data as this. Now finally, after providing all the data, I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see that the data has been uploaded, has been updated automatically without doing anything manually. Here you can see the response has been received. So this is how you can connect to your spreadsheet and YouTube channel and create this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And the interesting thing here is you just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect only once, and after that everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. So now onwards, what will happen, every day at this particular time, this automation will execute and will add the data here into the spreadsheet, and now onwards you can start tracking your data from here only, and all the data will be updated automatically here along with the date. Okay, I will also attach the workflow link in into my description box. So just in case if you want to clone this automation into your account, you can do that by simply clicking on this link. Sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. How to keep a track of YouTube analytics with Google Sheets automatically without any coding. So in this video, I'll show you that how to get the views and subscribers data of your YouTube channel into the Google Sheets automatically, that too every day, so that whenever someone wants to track the performance of your YouTube channel, you do not have to share the access of your YouTube studio. Simply share the access of the spreadsheet in which you are maintaining the records on the daily basis. And we are going to do that by setting up an automation in between YouTube and Google Sheets application. And believe me, this automation doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Any non-technical person can also set this automation for themselves. Want to learn how you can do that? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my YouTube channel analytics and I want to fetch the views and subscribers data into the spreadsheet along with the date on the daily basis. For that, I'll have to build a connection in between YouTube and Google Sheets, and I am going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software using which you can connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks in your account, that too every month, to test these kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'm clicking on sign in, clicked on access now, and you will see how I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now firstly, you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. So let's say I'm providing the name as get views and subscribers from YouTube and add to Google Sheets. Now click on create and now you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application, and here according to our use case, where I want to fetch the details of YouTube application in Google Sheets application. So generally we always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation, but here in this case I want to execute this automation on the daily basis because I want the daily stats here along with the date. So instead of selecting YouTube as the first application, I'm going to select the schedule feature of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing feature via which you can schedule your automation, schedule your workflows according to your choice. Here you can see it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So I would like to run my workflow every day. Let's say you want to run it once, or maybe in a specific day of the week you can do the same. Okay, so I want to run this every day, maybe on 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so I have set the timing, and here you can see my automation has been scheduled for every day, and the time will be based on your account time. So now once the automation is going to execute on 10:30, what should be done? It should fetch the channel stats from the YouTube. So that is why YouTube will be my next application, next action application. And after selecting the YouTube in action events, since I want to get the channel stats, so that is why I will select this particular action event I have, that is get channel stats. Now I am going to connect to my YouTube channel with the Pabbly Connect, so that first I am going to capture the channel stats here in the Pabbly Connect, and then I am going to share the same stats on Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect only. Okay, so you'll have to click on add a new connection, click on connect with YouTube, and provide the access of your YouTube channel from here. And do not worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Now click on continue and you will see how the authorization will be successful and how your channel will be connected. Now after the connection, it is asking for the YouTube channel ID. Okay, so enter the YouTube channel ID here to retrieve the channel stats. So from where you will get the channel ID, here in this particular URL you can find your channel ID. And if you will open this channel in a new tab, in the new tab, I'm sorry for that, in the new tab you will find your channel ID at the end of this URL. Okay, so I'm going to copy copy this ID and pasting it here, and if I'll click on this button, you will see that how the channel stats will be immediately fetched up here as a response. Here let me show you the details one by one. So here I have all the details. Here you can see it is showing the title of our channel, that is this. Okay, this is the channel launch date, and here we have other details, and I'm looking for the channel views and the subscribers, and here exactly the data which I was looking for, the views and the subscriber. You must be thinking why the data is very less, because this is just a testing channel which I have created just to show you how the automations can be created. So that is why I just have a very less number of views. Now I just want to share this particular data into the Google Sheets. So that is why the next application I'll select as the Google Sheets, and here I am going to select the Google Sheets, and after selecting the Google Sheets in the action event, since I want to add the new row first, and in that specific row I am going to add all the data, so that is why I am going to select this particular action event. Again we are going to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can provide the access of your Google Sheets, and don't worry, again Pabbly Connect, well, your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Click on continue and you will see that how your Google Sheets will be also connected immediately with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, I'll have to wait for that. And you can see it is connected. Now since we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available into my Google Sheets account are visible here. I just need to select that specific sheet in which I would like to add the data. So I have the sheet name as YouTube channel analytics. Let me search for the same. Well, here is that specific sheet, YouTube channel analytics, and as soon as I'm going to select this spreadsheet here, you will see whatever the columns I have added here, the same column will be reflected here also, the date, the views and the subscribers added. Okay, now as I have told you that I have already fetched the views and the subscribers data. Okay, but from where I will get the date? Basically the date of the daily stats, because I haven't received any date here as far as I remember. Okay, so I do not have the current date. So how I am going to do that? Don't worry, with the help of Pabbly Connect we can also fetch the current date. Okay, so you just need to add one more action step before your Google Sheets step and search for the date and time formatter here. And this is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can perform various kind of operations within your date. I want to fetch the current date, so that is why I'm selecting this particular action event. Now I'll be clicking on this connect button, and you will see it will ask me few details in which particular format you want to fetch the date. So I want to fetch the date in DDMM format, and I do not want to include any time along with the date. Clicking on save and send test request, and you will see that how it will give me the current date. Okay, here you can see it is giving me the date. Okay, now I am going to add this particular date here in this particular field. How? I don't need to manually copy and paste the data here. Okay, if I'll click on this particular field, alright, I'll have to first save this particular step, then only you will see that how the data will be started showing. Now I'll click on this particular field, you will see that the above data is actually visible here in the drop down. So I have mapped the date successfully. Again it is asking for the views, so I have fetched the views in this particular step. So I'm going to open this particular step data, and here you will see the views and the subscribers data. Alright, so here I have the views data, I have mapped it successfully, and finally I am going to map the subscribers data here. Okay, and you can even search for the same data directly. Okay, so here I have the subscribers data, and I'm mapping these all data because whenever this automation will work in the real time, these details, these value will be replaced automatically because I'm mapping the data. If I will provide this data manually, the data will remain same. So that is why the mapping is important here, because with the help of mapping only this automation is going to take place in real time. The data will be replaced automatically in the real time. Now clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see the response has been received. If I'll go back to my spreadsheet, and you will see the data has also added. Let me minimize it. Let me correct the formatting. Okay, I do not want any extra color here. I have the date, the views and the subscribers. So now onwards what will happen on the daily basis, this automation will execute at 10:30 in the morning, and whatever the stats it will find out into the YouTube channel of the yesterday's, it will fetch the data here into this particular spreadsheet. Okay, so this is how you can completely automate automate this process, and you just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. And after that, everything is going to happen in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. I'm also going to attach this shareable link of my workflow into my description box, so that if you want to clone this workflow into your account, you can click on that particular link, sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect from this link, and the same workflow will be cloned into your account, that too for free.
So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically share YouTube videos on Discord and Facebook. So guys, if you're a YouTuber who is having a community on Discord and Facebook as well, this automation is going to help you a lot. So in this automation, whenever we are going to share a new video on our YouTube channel, automatically guys, with the video link and the other details like title and description of the video, we will send a message with all these details on our Discord channel, so that you can update the new video to your Discord community as well. And then after that, automatically we are also going to create a post on our Facebook page, so that you can update your Facebook community as well with the new YouTube video which you have created. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as YouTube to Discord to Facebook page. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that whenever a new video will be published on our YouTube channel, the details of that newly published video will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the link and the details of the newly published video on our YouTube channel automatically on Discord and also on our Facebook page. So let's begin. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, search for YouTube. Just select it. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select new video on the channel with video URL. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, it's time to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with YouTube button. And I have already logged into my YouTube account, my YouTube channel in my browser. So just select your YouTube account which you want to connect, scroll down and click on continue. And after clicking on continue, here you can see that our YouTube account will get connected, our YouTube channel will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection guys, the first thing it asks us is the channel ID. So here in the drop down, it is most likely possible guys, in your YouTube account, you may have created multiple channels. So in this drop down, you will see a list of all the channels which you have created. Right now, I have created only one channel on my YouTube account that is named as demo channel, as you can see over here. So here from the drop down, select the channel from which you want to get the new video details. Now guys, after this, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of one of our video from our YouTube channel will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So while setting up this automation workflow, we will click on the save and send test request button like we will just clicking now. And then we will see details of one of the video from our YouTube channel will be captured. But guys, in real time, when this automation workflow will be executed in real time, it will only take the details of the most recently published video or most recently uploaded video from our YouTube channel. So here you can see that we have received the response in this trigger window, and this response is of a video named as Beach Island. So we have this video named as Beach Island, the recent one, which we have uploaded, and you can see the details of the same video over here. So here you can see the video URL, video link. Let's copy this link from here, paste it in a new tab, and you will see the same video over here. Then after this, you will see the embed link of the video. You can see the e-tags, the other details of the video like the channel ID, the date and time, that at what date and time this video was published or uploaded on the channel. Then we have the title of the video. We also have the description. We have the default URL. Then you can see the thumbnail URL of this video as well. And at last we have the channel name. So in this way, all the details of a new video which we have just now uploaded or published on our YouTube channel can be received inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. So step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, what we want to do, we want to share the details of the same video on Discord. And in step 3, we want to share the details of the same video on our Facebook page as well. So let's scroll down, come to this action window, and here in choose app, search for Discord. Just select Discord. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send channel message. Click on connect. Now here guys, what we have to do, the first thing after clicking on connect, it asks us is the webhook URL. Now we have to actually connect our Discord channel with Pabbly Connect, and to make this connection, we have to create a webhook URL in our Discord server, and then after that, after creating the webhook URL, we have to paste the same webhook URL over here. So how you can create this webhook URL in your Discord channel? So to do so, just go to your Discord server, your Discord account, and on the Discord server, by the side of the server name, click on this arrow button and go to server settings. After reaching to the server settings page, from the left side, just go to integrations under apps and then click on this view webhook button. Now after that, just click on this new webhook button, and then here you can see that a new webhook URL is created. Just click here, change the name of the webhook. For example, I would like to name it as YouTube. And then here you have a section of channel that using this webhook URL on which channel on your Discord server you want to send the messages. So here guys, I have created a channel on my Discord server named as YouTube Updates. And in this particular channel, I want to send the link and updates whenever a new video is uploaded or published on my YouTube channel. So just select this channel over here and then just click on this copy webhook URL. So we have copied the webhook URL and click on save changes. So just now we have created a new webhook in our Discord server and created the webhook URL. After copying the URL, just paste the same URL over here in the Pabbly Connect workflow and it is done. The next thing it asks us is the message. So here guys, in this message section, what is the message we want to send on our Discord channel? So I want my message to be hello everyone. So this is the message which I want to send on my Discord channel. Hello everyone, new video is published on our YouTube channel. I want to mention the title of the video and the video link. So here guys, from YouTube trigger, whenever a new video will be uploaded or published, we will get this response. We will get these details over here. So here we have the response of the title of the video, and also we have the link, the URL of the video as well. So from these responses, let's map this data over here. So in front of title, just click here. And the process of mapping guys is very simple. After coming to this field here in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from YouTube. And out of all of these responses, select the response of title and map it over here. Now after this, we also want to mention the link of the video as well. So we will just click here, and from the drop down from YouTube responses, we will select this response of video URL and map it over here. So in this video guys, you can see that I have just created a small simple message. But if you want, you can create any message of your choice according to your requirement, that what kind of message you want to send on your Discord channel whenever a new video is uploaded or published on your YouTube channel. And also guys, from these responses of YouTube, whatever details, whatever data you have received, like title, description, thumbnail URL, and all of these details, if you want, you can actually send these details as well in this data or in this message. You just have to map the respective details in the message section, and those details will be shared for each and every video you publish on your channel. Now after this guys, after creating the message, the next thing it asks us is the bot name and bot icon. So you can actually change the name of the bot who is going to share this message on your Discord channel. For example, I would like to name my bot as YouTube. And also you can change the icon, the display picture of the bot as well. You just have to enter the URL, the link of the image which you want to add as the display picture of the particular bot. And at last, it is asking us text to speech. So I don't want to enable the text to speech, so we have selected it disable, and then just click on save and send test request. Now after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here, basically the details of a new video being published on our YouTube channel, are now shared on our Discord channel. So let's see. We will go to our Discord channel. And yes guys, Here you can see that on the same channel for which we have created the webhook URL in our Discord server, on the same channel, a new message is shared. This message is shared by the bot named as YouTube, the same bot name which we have entered over here in Pabbly Connect. And the message says, "Hello everyone, new video is published on our YouTube channel. The title of the video is Beach Island and this is the link of the video. Just click on this link and then we will see that it is the exact same video whose response we have captured inside Pabbly Connect's trigger window. So this means the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. Now after this, let's move to our final step, and that is step 3. And in step 3, we want to share the same details of a newly published video from YouTube on our Facebook page. So just click on this add action step button over here, and then in choose app, search for Facebook pages. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as create page post. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page account with Pabbly Connect to share this post. So just select add new connection and click on connect with Facebook pages. Now because guys, I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, that is why Pabbly Connect has detected the same account and it is trying to make the connection. So just select your account and then we will see our Facebook pages account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So it is most likely possible that on your Facebook account, you may have created multiple pages and you will see a list of all the Facebook pages which you have created in this drop down below of page. So out of all of this, you have to select the page that on which page you want to create the post. So I have this Facebook page named as Pabbly Tech and I want to create a post on this particular page whenever a new video is published on YouTube. So we will be selecting this page, Pabbly Tech. After selecting your page, the page access token is automatically detected. So you don't have to actually make any changes over here. Then it asks us the message and the link URL. So here in this message section, you have to actually enter the text message, the caption or the content which you want to add in this new post which we will be sharing. And here in link URL section, we will be mentioning the link of our YouTube video. So I want the message to be, for example, hello. Okay, so this is just a simple message which I want to share as a post caption over here. So instead of this, as I told you, you can basically create any message, any caption of your choice according to your requirement. It can be a larger message as well. So this message says, hello, check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. And then after title, we want to mention the title of the video which we have just now published. So from the drop down from YouTube, select the response of title and map it over here. And then here in link URL section, we have to mention the link of the video. So just click here and from the drop down from YouTube responses, select and map the response of video URL. Now instead of this guys, if you want, you can write or create some bigger content, some bigger message as well. Okay, so right now I have added some more text to this message over here. Now after creating your required message, mapping all the required data which you want and mapping the link URL of the YouTube video in this section, click on save and send test request. Now after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this message with this link is being shared as a new post on our Facebook page. This particular page which we have selected. So let's check it. We will go to our Facebook page. We will just refresh our Facebook page once. And yes guys, here you can see that a new post is just now shared on our Facebook page. This post says, hello, check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. We are excited to share our new content with you. Title, Beach Island, the same title of the video which we have captured for the response in Pabbly Connect. And then here you can see the link of the video as well. Just click on this post section and it will take you to our video on our YouTube channel as well. So in this way, you can see that we have created this automation workflow using which whenever a new video will be added on your YouTube channel, automatically a notification of the same video will be shared as a channel message on your Discord channel. And also we will create a post on our Facebook page and share the exact same video with the same description and other details as well. So here guys, in this video, we just took an example, but if you want, like in trigger response from YouTube, you also get the description of the video as well, that what the description you have added in your YouTube video. And you can actually map that same description in the message section of Discord, like you can actually send the same description with the message over here. And also if you want, you can actually add the same description as the message of your Facebook page post to, as per your requirement. So both of these fields are completely customizable. You can actually make any changes of your choice according to your requirement over here. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once. We are going to upload a new video on our YouTube channel. So let's go to YouTube channel, select a video. This is it. Just open it. And then let's add a description. For example, I will add the description as this is a real-time test. And then let's select the other details as well. No, this is not made for kid. Let it just process the video for a couple of minutes. And let's move ahead. Click on next. Copyright element, visibility. Let's select the visibility as public. And then just click on this publish button over here. So here guys, we will see that we have just now published a new video on our YouTube channel. And this is the link of the video. Let's copy it and paste it over here. And you can see this video over here. Now after publishing this video guys, we will see within 10 minutes. So the YouTube trigger of Pabbly Connect has a polling speed of 10 minutes. That every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will go to a YouTube channel and check that whether a new video is uploaded on our channel or not. And if we have uploaded a new video, it will get the details of that video, and then this automation workflow will be triggered and it will be executed. So guys, here after publishing a new video on our YouTube channel, we just have to wait for 10 minutes. And within 10 minutes, we will see a new message will be shared on our Discord channel with the same video details, link, title and other details. And also a new post will be created on our Facebook page. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay guys, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Discord channel. And yes guys, here you can see that a new message is sent on our Discord channel, which says, "Hello everyone, new video is published on our YouTube channel. The title of the video is Big Waves Rushing to the Show." So the same title of the video which we have just now added to this video. And then here you can see the same link. When we will click on this link, the same video opens on our YouTube channel. And also guys, you will see a new post will be created on our Facebook page. So let's go to our Facebook page and refresh the page once. And yes, here you can see that just now a new page or new post is shared which says, "Hello, check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. We are excited to share a new content with you, titled Big Wave Rushing to the Show." So here guys, we have just created a stagnant message in this automation video. But guys, instead of this, what you can do, you can actually map the description of the video in this message section. And whatever description you will be adding on your YouTube video, with the same description and message and the link of the video, a new message will be shared on our Discord channel and a new post will be created on Facebook page. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.